Hi everyone, welcome back. I know I'm MIA, I'm here, sometimes I'm not. Hello everyone, welcome back. I know I haven't been MIA, I've been releasing shorts. I've just been really busy. I'm hoping to, I will be getting back to putting makeup on and doing tutorials. How do you feel about a live? I'm gonna try to do a live this Sunday. You may be seeing this video on a Wednesday. So I'm gonna try a live this Sunday. If you see the live, let me know how you feel about it. I bought a couple of things. One thing from Fenty. I bought their new gloss bomb in Grape Splash. I have it on right now. It's really pretty. I think it's a limited edition one. It looks like this. Very pretty. I got it off of Shop. Yeah, the Shopify app. They gave you like $5 off, which is really good. From Ipsy. I shouldn't have did it. I shouldn't have done it. Correct English. I bought some things. I picked up the Kaja Dewy bar because they were really cheap. I think they were like $8 a piece. So I picked up 3. I should have read the reviews over on Sephora. I put it on my hand. There's no staying power with this balm. I don't know about reapplying it, how it works. So I'm going to have to test that out. But, yeah. Oh, well. Live and learn. Look at the reviews before you buy something on Ipsy. And then I picked up the Polite Society glossy lip balm. It was good. It's a pink color. It's in the pink grapefruit. It looks like this. And the thing I like about it is the applicator. It's one of those hard applicators that look like that. I like that. I like, because Mac's lip gloss is like that. And I like that because you can go over like lipstick and not worrying about putting the applicator back into the product. Or you could wipe it off. Like I have towels. I've wiped off applicators before. So that's good. And then I have a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know why I'm buying makeup. I'm supposed to be on a low buy. But every time I say to you that I am on a low buy, I go berserk and buy makeup. And I shouldn't be, because I have a lot of makeup to try. I have the Kokie Original Perfecting Poreless Time Primer. I picked that up. That was cheap. It was like $5 or $6. It blurs. When it says it blurs, I'm very into the product. This is Yensa Super Serum Silk Foundation. Don't ask me why. No one reviews Yensa on YouTube. I've never even seen anyone use Yensa before. But I am in the color white, apparently. This is very light. Wrong color. Alright, that doesn't look too bad. I think I can get away with it. I'll just warm it up with some bronzer. It feels good. We'll see. Yeah, it's got kind of a yellow base to it. I have the Makeup Forever, the Professional mascara. One side's supposed to lift. The other side has volume. It looks like this. This was like 10 or 12 bucks. See, I buy a lot of my high-end from Ipsy because I'm getting discounts of 30% or more to try them. I picked up the Wander Beauty Medium Brown Upgraded Brows. It's a pencil and gel duo. I have enough brow products to last me 10 million years, you know? Let's see if I can. I'm not going to open it. Packaging looks like this. We'll try it out. You never know. Also, I'm thinking about coloring my hair. The reason I stopped is because it gets very messy when you do long hair on yourself, on your own. I really don't want to spend with the way I'm buying makeup and the way the economy is, on having someone do it for me. Because it would cost me $100 just to get a color and a cut. And I can do the color at home. I bought the new Clairol thing that does your roots, the machine. So I'm going to give that a go. If that doesn't work, then I'm going to just start growing it out again. My problem is when the roots came in, it was just so messy to keep going in and doing it. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? I picked up the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. It's just, it's an exfoliating powder. So what you do is you dispense into wet hands and create a paste and massage onto a clean face. It says avoid the eye areas, then you rinse it off. All right. They sent me a little gift. Unless this came in my... I also have my glam bag. This is my glam bag for the month of May. It looks like that. I have the YC Collection Cream Shadow in Naraya. Oh, it's closed. I'm not going to open it because I might pass it on. It looks like that. So, we'll see. I bought two. These were Patrick Tar's Christmas collection. This is his major volume plumping gloss duo. They're fine. They're not too bad on the lips, you know. They look like this. For one. And then if I see anything high-end like a Patrick Tar or something that I wanted to try that came out with the Christmas collection, you know, things like that, I tend to pick it up. Then we have For the Girls. And this is Unavailable. Then in my Ipsy bag, I got this Trace Me Neon lip liner. It's in the color Afterglow. It's one of those things that you push up. It looks like that. Come close. Also in my Ipsy bag, I got a 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. And then I also got the half-caked Duality 1 Eye and Cheek. I thought this was cute. That's a brand that they normally have on Ipsy, is half-caked. It looks like this. There's no mirror in it. I thought that's cute. And then I bought from Ipsy the Kissu lip tint in Camellia. And I think I already have one of these, Midnight Lily. I'm not going to open up Midnight Lily. I'm going to open up Camellia. Looks like that. The component's very luxe. And oh, this is nice. It looks like this. Anything Tatcha. I tend to pick up a lot of the high-end things. I'll do another video about that, and I'll explain why I do that in the other video. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.